Hi family, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing good. So welcome back. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a toasted bread without a toasting machine. If that's what you want to see, then keep on watching. So guys, for this video, we'll be needing a pan and a bread. Okay, so first off, you put your pan on low heat. You put your pan on the fire on low heat, and then you put your bread. So when you put your bread on the fire, you have to keep turning it and touching so that it won't just concentrate and burn in one place. Okay, and you don't want to keep your bread on the fire and then go far away, so you have to be very close because for each side I think it takes like two minutes or 1 minute and some seconds. Okay, so depend on how you want it. If you want it so crunchy and dark, then you have to leave it for 2 minutes, but if you want it to be moderate and a little bit lighter, then 1 minute will be okay. So right now the next thing I'll be doing is to check if it's getting burnt or it's we're progressing. So as you can see, I've checked and it is actually light brown. If you like it that way, then you can flip it over, but for me I like mine really dark and crunchy. That's why I returned it and I allowed it to keep toasting on the pan. So what you need to do is just return it and then keep an eye on it. Okay, do not go so far from your toasted bread. I repeat, do not go far from your toasted bread anytime you are doing this. You have to be very close, and then you have to be checking it once in a while to see if it is getting burnt or it is like at least you're getting a progress. So at this point, for one side of it it's done. So what I did is to flip it over and then use my spoon to adjust everything. So you can see it is a bit light brown, but one side of it is not yet done, which is what I will be doing after everything. Okay, so if one side of your bread is not done, what you need to do is to flip it to the middle of the pan. Like right now, the side that are not done are at the edge. So what you need to do is to, the next time you turn it to the middle of your pan so that it can get equal heat. So right now I'm checking to see. So that is what I did immediately. I flipped the sides that are not done to the center of the pan. Okay, I flip it over and now I will allow it. So what I will do next is to carry my spoon and give it a little gentle press so that the heat can get close to the bread, okay, in order for us to achieve everything easily. Okay, so this is what it looks on the other side, and then we're waiting for that side that was not done to be done. You see right now it's done already. Yes, I was pointing at that so you can see. You see it's done already, and this is so perfect for me. This is how I like my toasted bread. So we are trying to let the other side get done so we can achieve the perfect toasted bread. So at the end of the day, you can use bama. If you have a bama, you can use bama and ketchup to rub on the body. That one is nice. So our first batch is ready and I'm packing it out of the fire. So the next thing is to do for the second batch of my toasted bread. So now I'm putting the second batch of my toasted bread. This time around I'll be doing something differently. That's why I showed the second batch. Okay, so you see from the beginning the pan is already hot already, and don't forget that I said you need to leave your pan, your gas, your burner on low heat so that you don't have a burnt bread at the end of the day. Okay, so this is quite faster than the first process. Okay, and because the pan is already hot, so you see you just flip it over whenever one side is done, and then with this second process, with each flipping, I get my spoon and I give it a gentle press because the pan is hot already, so that you don't just have the top side of your bread being toasted when it doesn't really get inside. Okay, so this is it, guys. You give it a gentle press, and right now it's time to flip it over. I'm doing the same process. Those side that were not done, you bring it to the middle of your pan so that it will be done. So that is what I kept doing, and right now I'm allowing it to actually get to the perfect color that I want. So at this point it is done, like the other side is done. Can you see that perfectness? Like, this is so perfect for me. I love what I'm seeing right now. Like, this is perfect. So with that, we have come to the end of the tutorial video. So this is the final look. I'm taking it with my 2 egg because that's my breakfast. I'm taking the toasted bread with my 2 eggs, and I'm pairing it with this probiotic yogurt. I love this. Is in banana flavor. So thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you really do, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a lovely comment. Bye.